If you want to buy the fuel injection pump compatible with NTC-290, 316, 5446 excavator engines replacement parts, please check the link in the description. Diesel engines in heavy machinery like excavators, loaders, and trucks rely on precision components to deliver power, efficiency, and durability. One of the most critical components is the fuel injection pump. While it may not be the most visually impressive part under the hood, it's the component that keeps the engine running at its peak. The fuel injection pump for NTC-290 engines, part number 3,165,446, is a replacement solution designed to restore optimal performance in high-demand environments. The role of the fuel injection pump is fundamental. It ensures that fuel is delivered at the right pressure and precisely timed intervals to the combustion chamber. For diesel engines, timing is everything. Improper injection timing can lead to poor fuel combustion, reduced power output, increased smoke, and in severe cases, engine damage. This replacement pump is engineered to maintain accuracy, reliability, and durability, giving your engine the performance it needs. One of the first things to consider is build quality. This pump is manufactured to meet or exceed OEM standards, using materials capable of withstanding high pressures and constant use. The heavy-duty construction ensures that the pump can handle the rigorous conditions commonly encountered in construction sites, mining operations, and other industrial applications. This is not a temporary fix or a low-grade substitute, it's a part designed for long-term, consistent operation. NTC-290 engines are known for their robust performance and ability to handle demanding workloads. These engines are workhorses in the field, and their fuel system components must match that reliability. A failing injection pump can compromise performance, increase fuel consumption, and cause downtime. By installing a replacement pump like this one, you restore the engine's capability, improve efficiency, and reduce the risk of operational delays. Performance improvements are noticeable immediately. A well-functioning fuel injection pump provides steady and consistent fuel flow, which translates into smoother engine operation, better throttle response, and improved fuel efficiency. In the context of heavy machinery, these improvements are significant. They help reduce operating costs while maintaining productivity. Compatibility is another key factor. This pump is specifically designed for the NTC-290 engine, ensuring that installation is straightforward without modifications. Using the exact part number 3,165,446 guarantees that your engine receives the precise specifications it was designed for, avoiding the risk of mismatched components that can compromise engine performance. Indicators that a fuel injection pump needs replacement can vary, but common signs include difficulty starting the engine, uneven idling, excessive smoke, and decreased fuel efficiency. Delaying replacement can lead to more severe issues, including engine damage and increased maintenance costs. A quality replacement pump addresses these problems and restores the engine to optimal operation. Efficiency is not just about fuel savings, it's about engine longevity. Proper fuel delivery reduces incomplete combustion, lowers carbon buildup, and keeps the engine clean. Over time, this means fewer maintenance interventions, reduced downtime, and a longer lifespan for the engine. The difference a high-quality injection pump makes is measurable both in engine performance and in overall operational costs. The installation process for this replacement pump is designed to be as hassle-free as possible. No specialized tools or extensive modifications are required, meaning that downtime is minimized. This is particularly valuable for operators who depend on consistent machinery availability to meet tight project deadlines. Another advantage is emissions control. A properly functioning fuel injection pump ensures complete combustion, reducing the release of harmful smoke and particulates. This not only helps the engine run more efficiently but also aligns with environmental standards, which are increasingly important in industrial and construction operations. The NTC-290 engine paired with this replacement fuel injection pump offers a combination of reliability, efficiency, and performance.